Changing the email link to your Venmo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, to access the settings. Look for the Settings option in the menu. Step 3. Select Account Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Account. This section contains all the information related to your account, including your email address. Step 4. Update your email. Locate the email address field and tap on it. Enter your new email address and ensure it is correct. After entering the new email, save the changes. Step 5. Verify your new email. Check your new email inbox for a verification email from Venmo. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm the change. Once you complete these steps, your email link to your Venmo account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo support for assistance.